Los Olivos, with its beautiful wine country scenery, boutique tasting rooms, and elegant estates, is a market unlike any other in Santa Barbara County. This week's numbers are telling a story of balance, with just a slight edge for buyers. Whether you're on a sprawling vineyard property or tucked away in a charming downtown street, here's what's happening right now in our local market. I'm Helma Christiana Bloomberg with Bloomberg Global Real Estate. This week, the median list price for single-family homes in Los Olivos is $4 million. The Market Action Index is at 27, which indicates a slight buyer's advantage. That's up slightly from 26 last month, showing a small but steady increase in activity. Inventory has increased to 10 homes, giving buyers more choices than in some surrounding communities. The median price of new listings is $4,150,000, and the average price per square foot is $1,328. Homes are averaging 122 days on the market, with a median of 116 days. Even in this higher-end market, properties that are well presented and priced strategically tend to move faster. Right now, 30% of sellers have reduced their asking price, which suggests some sellers are adjusting expectations to meet the current buyer demand. 0% of homes have increased in price, signaling that competitive pricing remains key. 20% of properties have been relisted, often due to expired listings or transactions falling through. This can give buyers a second opportunity to make an offer, but for sellers, it reinforces the need for strong marketing and a clear strategy from day one. The median rent in Los Olivos is $15,000 per month. With rental prices at this level, many high-end renters may consider purchasing instead, especially if they find the right estate at the right value. So, if you're a Los Olivos homeowner, now is the time to think strategically about your next step. Even in a slight buyer's market, there are opportunities to achieve an excellent sale price with the right preparation, staging, and marketing plan. If you'd like to know exactly what your home could sell for in today's market, contact me directly in the Santa Barbara area at 805-450-6006. I'm Helma Christiana Bloomberg with Bloomberg Global Real Estate, serving Los Olivos, the Santa Ynez Valley, and all of Santa Barbara County. Let's make your next move the right one.